What's going on, guys? I am back for another video finally. Like I said in my last one, it would be a few weeks before the next one. But it is currently like -20 with wind chill outside of Michigan. That's why I'm all bundled up. The car is also wrapped. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, you should do so because there's a ton of pictures of the new wrap up there. I'll insert a clip right now walking around the wrap. I plan on making a whole separate video about the wrap and how that came to be. So look forward to that in the future. Today, however, I am switching a lot of wheels out. The current wheels on the car, right there, those wheels are leaving and being sold. And I've got some new wheels I'm gonna be running. So today's kind of like a test fit, and then I will be leaving the car on a bunch of different wheels because I'll be taking the current ones off. So it has to just sit in the garage on something. So I'll probably leave it on like 17s in the front and like a weird set of 18s on the rear for now. Here are the new wheels. ESR S, what's the freaking code on these? Okay, ESR wheels, SR08s. These are 18 by 10.5 plus 22. And they should fit like a charm. So, they're not the same finish. I will be matching the wheels or possibly getting the fronts matched to this because this is actually like super shiny and awesome. Let me just show you. These boys are wide. So, yeah, let's get these mounted up and I'll lower on some wood blocks and see how these things fit. Alright, so these are the front wheels that I'm planning on running. And they actually sit out quite a bit more. Let me go to the front. So it's got some decent poke. I believe these are a 18 by 9 plus 35. I can double check in a minute. I'm just out of breath today. You can see from back here how much nicer that pokes. I'm still on top of a wood block down there just because I still have to get that jack back under there. But I think once I get new tires on these and with the angle kit's gonna push that wheel out about 20 millimeters, I wanna say. So those will be fitting like crazy tight fitment probably, especially if I lower it a little bit more. But once I get the rears test fitted, I'll look. Maybe I won't lower it, but yeah, those are pretty sweet. And then time to switch out the rears. So this is currently the rear wheel fitment. I've got about that far from the tire to the actual lip, and they sit pretty well inside of that fender well. So that's the before. Let me get the new ones on and then we'll do an after. All right, so I just filmed like a 5-minute clip thinking I was recording, but I actually wasn't. But here's the rears mounted up. They fit beautifully. I mean, fender is perfectly lined up to the lip. Just the right amount of poke sticking out. Not gonna have to run a spacer, not gonna have to do anything except put a tire on this bad boy, and she's good to go. I'll take a step back. So this is what it currently looks like. Gonna decide if I wanna try to get the machine finish on the front or the white on the back. I'm thinking I don't know, I might just run them different for the start once I have tires, all fresh tires on them, and then go from there. But these fit beautifully. No clearance issues around the wheel well. The fronts, I hope will still be able to turn good when I have an angle kit on there. But for now, I think it looks good. I am probably gonna not leave my car sitting on those. I'll probably just throw some of these other drift spares on for the time being. And then once I sell those wheels, I'll be able to buy tires for all the other wheels, and then we'll be good. So this is how the car is gonna sit for right now. I've got my 135i drift spares on the rear and some 17s on the front. The same wheel, just a 17 that I'll probably just use for drift spares because the tires on them aren't great right now. But yeah, so that's how the car's gonna sit for a while. Hoping to get some new tires ordered this week, so I'll have some wheels to mount up in the future, and then I'll make a video when the car's done. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch this video today. If you have any questions about the wheels, comment down below and I can fill you in on the specs or any of that stuff. They're from ESR Wheels. I only got them because there was a great warehouse sale, so I couldn't pass them up, and I thought they'd fit a lot better. If you're curious about the wrap still, don't worry, a video is coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.